You guys have to check out this amazing floor plan. This is the Valeria here in Rivertown. Now, it's a little bit more smaller than the other models that you guys may have seen. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,600 square feet. So this is great for a starter home or possibly a downsizing home. Let's go see this awesome floor plan because the functionality is amazing. Come on. You guys know your girl loves this natural light. I mean, there are 4, I can count. There's 4 large square windows right here bringing a ton of natural light in. And I feel like that's what happens when you're in this smaller square footage, that everything just feels super, super tight. But with this, it almost like lets you have a breath of fresh air. And yes, I already know that you guys are gonna come for me in the comments saying, oh, it's gonna overheat the house, everything. Okay, put those little protecting like screen sticker things, whatever, on there, because you'll still let the natural light in, but no one will see it, and also will help with the UV rays. Just a thought. And even with the smaller square footage, I don't feel like you're having to sacrifice your kitchen. That's the one thing that I do like with this floor plan is I do love it right off of the hallway because I love to have, one, the natural light while I'm cooking, but I also love that I don't have to sacrifice having a tighter space to work around. I feel like it's still very functional and very walkable for more than just one person to get by. If you ever want to go beyond the screen, well, I actually have my calendar linked below, but go ahead and like and subscribe to stay up to date on all things St. Johns County because we want to be a little bit more official than just being a viewer, right? Well, let's continue with the video and I'll give you a little bit of information at the end. Come on. So let's talk about some of my favorite things. One, I don't feel like I'm sacrificing closet space either. Like I have plenty of space, you know, a tiny little nook for my husband, the rest for me. I don't actually have that much clothes. I just feel like I should have more clothes. And also, I know that you shouldn't fall in love with the staging because it doesn't come with the home. But you can't tell me these colors aren't beautiful. I'm a sucker for sage right now, and these pops of color I'm just absolutely in love with. That's just my personal opinion. But again, I just feel like the natural light coming into this specific model, I just feel like it's so much more breathable than, you know, some of those ones that feel like townhomes because there's just constant walls. This actually just almost makes you feel like, I don't know, maybe because I'm under the AC, it just feels like, you know, here, let me give you my view. Maybe you need a little bit more square footage, right? Well, there's multiple floor plans that are offered here in Rivertown. This is just one of multiple that are offered. If you see one online that you absolutely love, I'd be happy to go ahead and take a tour either with you personally or here virtually on camera like this. Bye. Now there's a lot of neighborhoods than just Rivertown that is offered here in St. Johns County, and maybe Rivertown is perfect for you, or maybe it's not your cup of tea. Well, I would love to sit down with you, have a one-on-one call, and see if this is the best neighborhood for you and your family, and what other neighborhoods we should probably check out during your search, whether you're already a local or you're dreaming of being one. Let's get together. But until next time, my name is Demi Judd with Real Broker, and I will help you become a local in no time. See you next time.